on RAID. First we need to open our virtual machine. So in this case, I have the VMware station as my virtual machine, and then we will set the hard drives. We will make it RAID 0, 1, and 5. So we need to insert files on every RAID file drive, then destroy one disk of different technology. Then what happened to the file or drive? Then insert another disk and merge it to exist ng RAID. What happens? Installing the new addition disk. So first, I am gonna create RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5. So in creating hard disk, we need to do this, edit virtual machine, then add hard disk drive, and then SSI, yes, and make it 1 gig so it does not consume so much space. Store, okay, then there's our one hard disk then right here. So in this activity we need to create 6 more hard disk. Set it to 1. You only need 4 more hard disk before powering our virtual machine. Two more. Then the last one. So after that, we need to power on our virtual machine. So this OS is newly installed. So this is the first time I will boot up this. So after we boot this up, let me clear this. All we need to do is to go to start administrative tools, or just go here, then storage and disk management. So as you can see, we have in total of 7 disks, aside from the disk 0, which are system, which serves as a boot drive. So the rest of the disk is unallocated, so we need to allocate this first to be able to perform the raid. So I'm gonna set this disk online. since the rest are offline. Check if these are not initialized like that. Then we will now perform RAID 0. So in order to perform that, in order to do that, we need to select use drive volume. Next, so we will add these two, and then next, so leave this on default. Okay, and then yes. So after we're done on RAID 0, we will proceed now on doing the rest of the RAID. So after RAID 0, need to do RAID 1. So in order to do that, we need to select this tree, new mirrored volume, next, add disk 4, next, format next. So if the error comes up like the error is the space is not enough, just do same value over again, add disk 4, next. Oh, this is G, I think. Just gonna leave this default. Then you should be seeing like this one. So we'll proceed now on RAID 5. Need to do disk 5, new RAID 5 volume, next. So this is different than the rest. We're gonna have 2 disks, in total of 3 disks selected. Then next. So seeing this error, we need to be do the same thing. No RAID 5, next. Yeah, then we should be saying like this. So after doing that, we need to go to my computer. So as you're seeing on the screen, we have new 3 local disk. So this is the RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5. So in the requirements given, we need to insert files, and then destroy one disk of different technology. So we have 3 here. So we're gonna now perform the RAID 0. We're gonna destroy, we're gonna perform the RAID 0 on this volume app. So right now, we are now in documents, So we are now gonna make a text file. We name this raid. Then we're gonna name this like test. Then save. Right now we're gonna close this. Control C. Put this on 3 hard disk. So right now we shut down the virtual machine. So right now we need to destroy the RAID 0. So we're gonna find this. So I think it's on hard disk 2. Yes, we're gonna remove this. Now it's gone. So after removing disks 0, 1 and 5, we're now gonna power this on. So let me switch this. So now you can see you have now 2, 4, 5 hard disks, including the boot drive. So we removed I think 3 hard disks. Now we're gonna check the disk, I mean the file, if it's there. Computer. So we've checked, the file is still there. To check our drives, server manager, and then this management. So as we notice here, this one has failed. So no name like this here, and the rest of it is in there. And then the failed redundancy is in that too. So notice. Then the missing is the drives we remove. Remove in the last part before turning on this VM. So the question is, what happens to the file or drive since we deleted RAID 0? The remaining file, the RAID 1 and RAID 5 is still there. So since we removed the RAID 0 drives, it is not there. So basically the file is gone. So after adding 3 more hard disks, we need to power this on. So after that, we need to remove the mirror, disk 4. So after removing the mirror, what I did on the off cam, I need to extend volume. So we will try to add disk 1, I mean merge it with disk 1. Next, yes. So right now you're seeing span volume. The disk 4 is now span volume. So after seeing that, it seems that we cannot merge a new disk and a existing disk, which is the RAID 1. Why? Because as you can see, it turned into a span volume. So right now we need to let's try to change and to RAID 5. So all you need to do is right click the RAID 5, change. So it seems to be I cannot merge. So we're gonna create a new RAID 5, I think. So after repairing it, you need to select the disk that we want, and then in this case it is disk 5. So yes, so after checking, both file is still there. So uh, technically if you merge 0 and 1, it will not work. And then on the case of RAID 5, we need to repair the disk first, and then select the acting RAID 5 volume, and then it will repair itself, and then you must see the file there. So in this case, this is we all know this is RAID 5, so there is still the file there. So that concludes the activity of RAID. Thank you for watching.